Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. The link is in the bio. I do have some special treats for you. Your word of the day is me. It's all about me, me, me. It's time to take a me day. Fill up your cup. Fill up your ocean, fill up your river, fill up your creek, fill yourself up, because you're always helping, supporting, healing, being the support and the stability for so many people in the foundation. But if you're not 100%, there's no way you can effectively help the world. So make sure you take care of yourself. There's nothing wrong with taking time to nurture yourself, pamper yourself. You only get one body. You only get one life and one self. So take care of yourself first to the maximum, and then spread that love and get back to helping the world. I allow serenity to reign within me, and the love that I have for myself invites harmony to settle within my being. I listen and honor and strive to fulfill the needs of my soul. When your needs are met, therefore you're able to effectively meet the needs and aid of the world. Love one another, be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.